Hello children, welcome to the class. Now, after completing the chapter excretion in animals and plants, we shall move on to the next topic, that is control and coordination. So what is control and coordination? What are the systems that are associated with this control and coordination? Let us see in this chapter. So various activities that are performed by the living organisms they are not as simple as they look. So they are very complicated processes. That means even a simple activity that is performed by the organism is under the coordination of different organs in the body. Various organs in the body must act in a coordinated way with one another, and the activity is executed. So it is just like a teamwork, and all the organs must act in a coordinated manner. So, what are the activities and what are the systems that control these activities? That is, there are two systems, nervous system and endocrine system. Now, first we shall deal with the nervous system and later on with the endocrine system. So, nervous system. What is this nervous system? It includes different kinds of organs, brain, spinal cord, and neurons, various things. We are going to study about all those things. First of all, let us know certain terms. So, what is the stimulus? First thing, stimulus is a change in the environment. And response. What is response? According to the stimulus, the living organisms respond. So, responding according to the stimulus is called response. So, for example, so the students in the class, they are sitting and they see that the teacher is entering into the class. So what do? They stand up and wish the teacher. So what has happened? A change has taken place. What is the change? The teacher coming into the classroom. And what is the response of the children? They stand up and wish the teacher. So this is the entry of the teacher into the classroom is a stimulus, and the response is the children responding to the entry of the teacher. So that is the thing. Responding to stimulus is very important for the survival of the organism. That means according to the situation, according to the change in the environment, the organism has to respond. Suppose a cat is chasing a mouse. So this mouse has to run fast. So the stimulus is the cat approaching the rat to kill it. So what is the response of the rat? So he should run away from that place. It is the response of the rat. So that is how the survival of the organism response according to the stimulus is very, very important. And in the human body, there are 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. So these are the 5 sense organs, and these sense organs are just like windows to the outer world. That means we see, we listen, we smell, and we taste, and we feel through these sense organs. So that is why they are called windows. The sense organs are called windows to the outer world. So these sense organs, they always communicate with the nervous system. So that is eyes, optic nerve, ears, auditory nerve, nose, olfactory nerve, tongue contains taste buds, and skin contains nerve receptors. All these things are present, and with these receptors, they communicate with the nervous system. Then what are receptors? What are receptors? Receptors are present in the sense organs which sense the changes. Suppose in the skin, there are receptors are there. So if we touch a hot body, the receptors can feel the hotness of the body. So like that, receptors can sense organs which sense the changes. So in this way, this is how the various organs in the body, coordination of various organs in the body is very important for the execution of any action. So for the survival of the organism has to respond according to the stimulus. Otherwise, it cannot survive. And receptors, they sense the changes that are taking place and they communicate with the nervous system. And in the nervous system, what are the units of nervous system? In the previous classes, we have seen that units of lungs are alveoli, units of excretory system are nephrons. In the same way, in the nervous system, neurons or nerve cells are the units of nervous system. So, what are the structures and functions of these neurons that we shall see in the next class. So, this is the introduction for this control and coordination. Okay, thank you.